Hey guys, Yoey Tutel. I wanted to make this short little video. There is a guinea up on the raspers. If you don't know what a guinea is, he's a chicken that makes, a lot of noise. So basically I'm just going to show you guys my animals. That is a guinea. Right there. Up on the raspers. It's real funny. We also got a John Deere 1023E. It's a pretty nice little tractor. Looks like we're dropping hydraulic fluid. This thing's been sitting here for a while. There's our duck, a couple chickens. That big boy is new. We got a couple new other females. There's Zoe. We're hoping she has a baby soon. She's a really big girl. And then you got Holly, which is the white and brown one, and Jack, which is a male. And then we have Charlie here, which is a precious little goat. Charlie, look at the camera. Look at the camera. But they're really cute. Some more of my chickens. That's a really pretty rooster right there. Got a real tail order. Got all kinds of things. Oh, we got this old Ford tractor, which used to be our mowing tractor. This is the duck. That freaking chicken's so big. One of our chickens. Make this into a meme. Just that chicken. Just turn it into a meme. So funny. I think trying to find all the new chickens. Oh, those are the two new ones. That white one and then that white and brown one. Those are all three of them that we got. There's another guinea somewhere, except for that one that's up in the rafters. I hear them, but I can't find them. Out of the way, Charlie. Let me Char. Got some ducks, more chickens. I have no idea. Oh! Looks like Dad got another animal water. That's smart. Where's that other guinea? I wonder where that other guinea went off to. There's the duck again. That duck's really nice. It's a cute duck. I don't know where the other guinea is. But I think that's going to end the video here for today. Just wanted to show you guys some of the animals. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but there is our beautiful old 50s truck called the Honk. It is not for sale, if you guys are wondering, because it's in the family, and it's planning on staying in the family for a while, but we are planning on at some point redoing it. The tractor might be up, well, the Ford tractor might be up for sale eventually at some point, but just letting you guys know it's gonna be somewhere on Facebook or something, somewhere at some point. But that's a little tour of our farm, well, with our animals. I don't know how to make posts for my YouTube channel. I'll figure that out when I find a good photo opportunity. I'll probably post a photo of that guinea up there. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. Bye-bye.